Imagine you've just opened your restaurant, and you're excited to start serving customers. But first, you need to log into your TouchBistro POS system. Ever found yourself staring at your TouchBistro screen, wondering, how do I even get started? We've all been there. In today's video, we're going to break down the simple steps to logging into TouchBistro, so you can get your restaurant up and running in no time. Before we dive into the login process, let's quickly understand why TouchBistro is such a vital tool for restaurants. It's your digital command center, handling everything from taking orders and processing payments to managing inventory and tracking sales. Step-by-step guide. Now let's get to the good stuff. Logging in. 1. Power on your device. The first step is obvious but crucial. Make sure your TouchBistro device is powered on and connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network. 2. Locate the TouchBistro app. On your device's home screen, you should find the TouchBistro app icon. It's usually a green icon with a white T. Tap on it to launch the app. 3. Enter your username and password. Once the app opens, you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. These credentials were provided to you when you first set up your TouchBistro account. If you've forgotten them, don't worry. Most systems have a forgot password option. 4. Confirm your identity, if applicable. Depending on your TouchBistro setup, you might be required to provide additional security measures, such as a PIN or biometric verification. This extra layer of security helps protect your restaurant's data. 5. Logging in. After entering your credentials and completing any necessary security steps, tap the Login or Sign In button. If your login information is correct, the app will verify your access and take you to the main TouchBistro dashboard. Troubleshooting tips. If you're having trouble logging in, here are a few common issues and their solutions. Incorrect credentials. Double-check your username and password. If you've forgotten them, contact your TouchBistro provider for assistance. Network connectivity. Ensure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. A weak or intermittent connection can cause login problems. App issues. If the app is not functioning correctly, try restarting your device or reinstalling the TouchBistro app. Additional tips. Bookmark the login page. For quick and easy access, consider bookmarking the TouchBistro login page on your device's browser. Use a password manager. A password manager can help you securely store and manage your TouchBistro login credentials. Contact support. If you continue to experience issues, don't hesitate to reach out to TouchBistro's customer support team for help. Logging into TouchBistro is a straightforward process, but it's essential to understand the steps involved to ensure a smooth experience. By following the guidelines outlined in this video, you'll be able to access your TouchBistro system and start managing your restaurant's operations efficiently. Do you have any questions about logging into TouchBistro? Leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more restaurant tech tips. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.